Okay, we're going to see if we can help y'all with this crank sensor. 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee, 5.2 liter V8. It's located on the passenger side, back behind the valve cover and the head, down right on the bell housing. I've replaced this once before, and it is very difficult. You have to remove that pipe. I'm going to try to do it this time without removing the pipe or moving it up. I think I can get a 3/8 inch drive down either on one side or the other of that pipe, maybe with a swivel socket, and get it out. I don't know how I'll get the bolts back in. Best I can remember, those are 6 millimeter hex bolts, Allen wrenches, but I'm not sure. Other people on the internet are saying they're 1/4, but you can see that gap. I'm going to try to get something down between there and get those out and pull that thing out with a pigtail. Again, this is on the passenger side, back down behind the valve cover and the head, right on the bell housing. And those bolts are bolting into the block. I may try to get a better video out and it's hard to even get a camera back there. Much less tools to get it out. The marvels of Chrysler engineering. That's a good shot of it. Looks easy, doesn't it? I don't know what all this extraneous noise is.